The Samsung Galaxy A56, set to launch in March 2025, will debut with One UI 7, Samsung's latest user interface built on Android 15. This update introduces a range of enhancements designed to elevate the smartphone experience. One of the standout additions is Samsung's innovative Awesome Intelligence AI, a feature that offers advanced capabilities such as smart photo editing, system optimization, and real-time performance enhancements, making everyday tasks smoother and more efficient. The interface itself has undergone a significant design refresh, with a cleaner and more modern look. Key improvements include an optimized notification panel, a streamlined app drawer, and redesigned battery icons, all aimed at enhancing usability and visual appeal. Personalization has also been taken to the next level with One UI 7, offering users greater freedom to customize widgets, lock screens, and wallpapers, enabling a truly tailored experience. On the security front, Samsung has integrated Knox Matrix for enhanced protection of sensitive data and AI-powered call transcription, which ensures safer and more private communications. Additionally, the Galaxy A56 is expected to leverage these software improvements alongside its robust hardware, creating a seamless experience for productivity, entertainment, and everyday use. With these advanced features, the Galaxy A56 is poised to stand out as a premium mid-range smartphone, combining affordability with cutting-edge technology.